Guys, good evening. This is Captain E3A once again with another aircraft review. Mitch HD has reviewed this aircraft in the SkyTeam livery, and I believe 777 Die Hard Forever has featured this aircraft as well. I'll show you right now. This is China Airlines, Boeing 747-409 in the scale 1/200 livery by Skymarks. I'll give you a tour of the cockpit, starting with the cockpit windshield wipers. And I'll take you on the emergency escape hatch for the pilots. The SkyTeam logo. I don't know if you can see that right there. The L1 door. The registration of this aircraft. China Airlines. The 4 Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines. The massive winglet on the 747. And sorry about that. Come on, the tail section of the aircraft. The registration. The China Airlines livery on the tail. Turn around. The APU, the auxiliary power unit, and on the horizontal stabilizers, there are a pair of 2 lights that illuminates the tail as the aircraft is in flight. Now I'm going to take you on the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The China Airlines livery. The main the main galley door. One of the cargo container bins. Come up on the the leading edges of the wings. The 4 Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines. The China Airlines livery and the registration. And that is it. I'll give you a tour from my point of view. Very nice. And over on to this side. According to reports that China Airlines is due to replace all their 747-409s with the Boeing 777-300, and the 300 is starting to come into service now with China Airlines. China Airlines have numerous destinations throughout the world. Beginning along the West Coast, San Francisco and Los Angeles, New York John F. Kennedy International Airport, cargo for China Airlines Cargo, Manchester Ringway, Atlanta Hartsfield Jackson, Houston George H. Bush Intercontinental, London Heathrow, Manchester Ringway, passenger service to Paris and Frankfurt. And that's it for the destinations for China Airlines. China Airlines is one of 20 airlines that make up SkyTeam, along with Delta, KLM, Air France, Aeroflot, Aer Lingus, sorry, not Aer Lingus, Alitalia, China Southern Airlines, just to name a few that makes up SkyTeam. And I'll give you a bird's eye view of the aircraft right there. Turn around, and there you go. I just would like to say thank you very much for watching this video, and please comment in the comment section down below on my YouTube page, and I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you around.